welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will learn in SALSA on 1 the right turn. So let's get straight into it. We will have the first step on 1 forward with the left. Now turn and change the weight on your right, and now bring the left right beside the right foot, and after that you continue the basic backwards and come back. One more time, very slow. And we have left, turn, bring left beside, continue the rotation and go straight back. One more time, very slowly, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and again we go and turn to the right, and 5, 6, and 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Now, it's very important when you do the right turn or the left turn in the future, hashtag spoiler, you need also to be aware of your balance. Okay, so the balance, you have to change it every time you step on each of your leg. So, especially when you go into a turn, you see here on the first step I go forward, but here I pivot on my right to change the weight on the right, and now I bring my balance, my weight to the center, and after that I continue backwards. Let's do it on music.
Don't forget to subscribe and see you to a next tutorial.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.